Meaning of green thumb.
Green thumb.
Green thumb.
Green thumb.
Green thumb. Green thumb is an idiomatic expression that refers to a person who has a natural talent or skill for gardening and can make plants grow well. This term is often used to describe someone who has a knack for nurturing and caring for plants, maintaining a beautiful garden, and cultivating a lush landscape. A person with a green thumb typically has a deep understanding of soil, weather patterns, plant species, and pest control techniques. This skill is honed over time through experience, trial and error, and a passion for the natural world.